Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to make video about the color how to make a smoke mock. How to make a mockup. So what is mockup? Mockup is like a merchandise, like a feature, like a merchandise that you can make, like t-shirt, a mug, or like sticker. So how do you make it? So firstly, open and search Figma, Figma on your like Windows or open on open Google and search Figma, Figma on Google. So once you done that, you need like so. I'm sorry if I need to change the account first because this is not my laptop but my friend's laptop. I bought because my laptop is broken. Oh yeah, I'm going to use the Figma desktop, the Figma website. So while you're waiting to login, you need to like search an expansion like ideas like this. So search the idea you like, and if you like the idea, you use the idea. This if you already have an account, you can just log in. If you don't, click new account. Click a new account. So I'm going to close this. So while the Figma is loading, search like the t-shirt ideas you want to make. Do you have like a t-shirt idea that I want to make? So you can use your creativity to make a full t-shirt like this, like t-shirt ideas like, or you can like just like copy it, not copy like, yeah, you can just like copy it and make it like go like this. Wait, no, it's too hard. This you can copy it and put something on it, and then while this is loading, I'm going to tell you how do I put the like the visual merchandise to make the visual merchandise like put search up. This is the like the website for you to make visual merchandise. Like you can only see to see. So it's like a template. So this is for the like, this is like the example my t-shirt. So make it the frame will be 1080 for the wide and the height is 1250. And for the size, the rectangle inside is 577 and the height is 600 and 964. So after you done that, you make like something like as creative as you can. Oh yeah, if you already done making it, don't forget to hide the stuff so it won't get look. So once you done this, you need to like export it. Once you already export it, go to Smart Mockup, like the city I told you, and search like a t-shirt or yeah, search a shirt to make the. And once you done that, and search isolated and free if you don't have the pro version. Once you done this, uh, pick the one you want. As example, I'm going to use this one. So once you done this, upload the t-shirt like this to make the PNG. And put it like in the middle. And continue. And if you like don't see the change the t-shirt color from white to black. This. So once you done that, you can just download download it, download the file, or you can like use the what the idea like what the option like you search freepik.com. This is for like short to make a short PSD. Example this, then search photopy. If you don't have Photoshop, then you use photo. It's like Photoshop, a like more like version of Photoshop. See, and then once you done it, you see this, download it. This is like a PSD type, so you still can edit it. And wait it until it's done. Once it's done, drop the file into the photopy. Wait until if your like your Wi-Fi network is fast, you can go. You need to wait this long. Wait, see, 60 seconds, 60 seconds left. 15 seconds left. If you're done, let drag it to here, and then you see this. this. See the t-shirt, this, the design. Put your design, okay, as example. Put it here. Put your design in the mockup. So it's loading. And if you already put the design, you can like save it and then look at the PSD and then done. It's not that hard, not that it's not that hard. Okay, so as example, you already done that. If you already done all of that, then you're done. Well, maybe that's all for me. I'm sorry if I have any mistakes or not.